Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to scan QR codes on iPhone. If you are using any iPhone and you want to scan QR codes using your iPhone, so let's see how can I do that. If you have iOS 18 or later, so you can directly scan QR codes using your camera app, or if you don't have iOS 18, so you can still scan QR codes using the iPhone with a second. It's very first, if you have iOS 18, so open the settings app. Very first I recommend you have to go for general, go for software update and try to make a software update here. Once you updated software, go back from here, look for camera option here, just select that camera option and here just scroll down and you'll get a setting which is scan QR codes. You must have to enable this toggle. Once you have enabled, just go back from here, open your camera app. Now whenever you'll get a QR code, under your camera, your QR code will be automatically scanned by your iPhone and you'll get the results here. So you can see that it was a Wi-Fi QR code. So you can easily scan different QR codes in your own camera app. Or if you don't have iOS 18, so there's a different way. Open your apps store here, go for search. You have to simply search for QR code reader or QR code scanner. You can search for both here. You can see this QR code reader. I'm going to search for that. And here you must have to look for any app and install that. So I'm going to install this app. It has 4.0 rating, so it might be the best for our phone. Just tap on this get option and then your app will be started installing. So after installation, you can easily scan QR codes using this app. Just wait for this installation and then we'll get this. So after installation, just tap on this open option and the app will be opened. Now just tap on next, then next, then next again, then tap on next option again. And here just tap on this cross option if you don't want to get pro version. And here just tap on allow to access your camera. And now you just have to shoot this QR code. Just get your QR code here and your QR code will be automatically detected and read it. And you will get the results here. Just tap on allow option. And here you can see that our QR code has been successfully decoded or read it. So in this way, you can easily scan QR code using your iPhone. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.